We generally make asphalt, concrete, road base, chips, those type of materials. Oh, I have a couple different 6x20 screen plants. I use both of those for my pre-screens on crushers. I have super stackers, K400 cones. I have some conveyors. I also have a 4250 impactor also, track mounted. I use that for recycling asphalt. KPI-JCI because of modern machinery. I use them. I've known my salesman for years and he's always treated me good. When something breaks down, maintenance, warranties, things like that. I have a Cedar Rapids double screen plant that it screens for the K400. I only run front end loaders with Komatsu equipment. My pit loader behind us I feed the crusher with. It's got a larger bucket on it so I can haul more material to the crusher. So the more you haul, the cheaper it is to move the material.
We just dig from there, carry, and then dump right into the job. It's got a nice ride control. It takes the stiffness off the bucket as you're driving so that it doesn't bounce you around as badly. Usually you don't slop as much, you don't spill as much, and then it keeps it more in control.